Yeah, so like I said, the victory, I had lost the 30 pounds, but I did in 5 months. So if you take that back to when I started in January. 5 months from that was May, June. And that's when I had lost the 31 pounds. Now during the summer between July, August, and by September I was on my cleanse, but between like that July and August month, that summer month is when I was triggered the most because it was summertime, it was hot, and we were outside. We were outside. So, and outside was you was on the go, like whether it was birthday parties, weddings, cookouts, like you was just on the go and everyone was just offering food. So I was triggered at my most during the summer. By the time the summer was over, I got on a scale and I was like, I didn't lose no weight. I gained 5 pounds. And then we did the cleanse in September, and I lost the 5 pounds.
Wait. I think one of the points that I'd like to drive home is that over the summer, you did enjoy food. You did in a sense that was manageable and balanced.
Yeah.
Think about it. If you weren't disciplined and balanced and your metabolism had an increase, you would have gained all the weight that you lost.
Yeah.
So you didn't just lose 5 pounds. It was a pound here, a pound there, a pound down.
Yeah, it would go up and down. Like those 2 months, it was just like up and down, up and down, up and down.
Within 5 pounds versus gaining back all that she lost at the beginning, which till today, she started the cleanse, she lost a little bit, but she never gained back the 30 pounds.
Yeah.
What I want to drive home is that this is why my approach is the way it is. This is a new lifestyle. This is not a fat diet where you lose and then you regain everything you've lost.
Right.
And April, I have to say, she was sending me some foods that had me like antsing on the thing. I was like, enjoy, but just be careful with the portion, because I'm like still like this, right? Like I hope she enjoyed. She went away, guys. Your family went away. You had a lot of cookouts. There was a lot of fried chicken, mac and cheese. Man, when I used to see the plates of mac and cheese, I was like, oh.
Yeah. And even when I did do, I think even when I did do the hamburgers, I didn't do a lot of hamburgers, but if I did do them, I didn't do bread. I would literally grab 2 pieces of lettuce, put the hamburger in it, and that would be my burger. So I kind of, if I did have mac and cheese, I kind of kept it like really small, like just a cup. Because too much would just make me cringe. I would be like, okay, I'm doing the most. I'm going way overwhelm my, over my head.
Yeah. And I think that one of the points I also want to drive home with that too is that you don't eat as much as you used to before too, because your body doesn't actually want it.
No.
And that's why the eating smaller meals consistently throughout the day is workable and helps, is because it trains your body not to eat too much in one sitting. So now if you're enjoying an ice cream, you don't have to have it extra large. You enjoy ice cream and then you move on. But what happens is we overindulge, and that's how sometimes the weight comes back on. So I just wanted to actually make that point. Another thing too is that because it's summertime, the weather's different as well. So you're moving a lot. And I think that played in April's 5-pound gain within those 2 months, where it was a pound a week here, a pound down, 3 pounds down, 2 pounds up. But she stayed within that 5 pounds because she was also active. And remember, in the summer months, we're actually more active. We're out more and we don't eat as much because it's hot. So that was another point I wanted to drive home.